Welcome to our popular science video on surface treatment technology for aluminum CNC parts. A product's appearance represents its quality, experience, and expectations. Many products prioritize the use of aluminum alloys when selecting materials, because it can have multiple surface treatment methods, allowing the product to showcase its desired beauty. 1. Anodizing. Anodic oxidation is a type of electrolytic passivation treatment used to increase the thickness of the oxide layer on the surface of metal parts. Generally, aluminum alloys are prone to oxidation, although the oxide layer has a certain passivation effect. However, as a result of long-term exposure, the oxide layer will peel off and lose its protective effect. Therefore, anodic oxidation is the use of its easy oxidation characteristics to control the formation of an oxide layer through electrochemical methods. To prevent further oxidation of aluminum and increase its surface mechanical properties, another purpose is to enhance aesthetics by generating various colors through different chemical reactions. Widely used in aerospace components / consumer electronics / building elements, aluminum doors and windows, etc. Aluminum alloy anodizing can improve corrosion resistance, increase oxidation color, and improve adhesion. 2. Powder coating. Powder spraying utilizes the phenomenon of corona discharge, and the process is as follows. The compressed air from the powder supply system is sent into the spraying process. The dense charge generated in the vicinity of the powder by applying high voltage and corona discharge, sprayed from the gun nozzle, forming charged paint particles, adsorbed on the opposite aluminum profile due to resistance. When a certain thickness is reached, due to the generated electrostatic repulsion, the entire aluminum profile no longer adsorbs, resulting in a certain powder coating. After heating, the powder is melted, leveled, and solidified to form a sturdy coating. This is a durable surface treatment with excellent scratch resistance, corrosion resistance, and chemical resistance, as well as a wide variety of colors and textures of powder coatings. Of course, from an environmental perspective, powder coating is an environmentally friendly process with minimal waste. His drawback is that equipment and facility requirements will result in higher initial investment. Achieving a very thick coating may require additional operational steps. Main applications: automotive parts / outdoor furniture / industrial equipment. 3. Polishing and polishing. Polishing and polishing are mechanical finishing techniques that involve the use of abrasive materials to make the surface of aluminum components smooth. This process enhances the reflectivity and appearance of the parts. This processing technology can create a mirror-like finish, enhance the visual appeal of the parts, and remove small surface defects and pollutants. What makes people headache is that this is time-consuming and requires skilled labor. Moreover, polishing alone does not provide strong corrosion or wear protection. 4. Chemical etching. Chemical etching involves selectively removing materials from aluminum surfaces using chemical solutions. This process can create complex designs, textures, and patterns on the surface. This is a non-mechanical process that does not significantly alter the substrate. Customizable, complex designs and patterns can be etched onto the surface. It can be used for complex geometric and irregular shapes. His difficulty and drawback is that achieving consistent and controllable depth across the entire surface may be challenging. Moreover, the chemical solutions used in etching may require careful handling and disposal. 5. Chromate conversion coating. Chemical film chromate conversion coating is a chemical process that forms a thin layer on aluminum surfaces, providing corrosion protection and improving paint adhesion. It is also known as a chemical film or iridium coating. It provides excellent corrosion resistance, enhance paint adhesion, maintain conductivity, suitable for heat sinks and electronic components. But it also has its drawbacks: limited color selection, usually displayed as a transparent or light yellow coating. Compared to anodizing, the coating is thinner. Widely used in the electronics industry for EMI/RFI shielding, military equipment, aerospace components, etc. 6. Brushed finish. Brushed finish is achieved by creating linear patterns of textures on aluminum surfaces using grinding pads or brushes. It is usually the preferred choice for industrial or modern design. Hide minor scratches and defects. Unique and modern appearance. Create a satin-like texture. The disadvantage is that it does not reflect as much light as the polished finish. Careful maintenance is required to prevent scratches. If you also have relevant business needs, you may need to check our product catalog or visit the website. To understand the benefits of various finishes we offer, please refer to case studies or part examples previously handled by Eugene Solution. We provide one-stop manufacturing services. If you also think the video is good, please subscribe and follow us. Thank you!